You're gonna love the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.